Today we are diving deep into fascinating company that's household name in India, Procter Gamble and Hygiene Healthcare. We will explore business model, future growth prospect, financials, valuation, etc. So make sure you stick around till the end. Hey everyone, my name is Hariom and you are watching Trading with Hariom. Procter Gamble and Hygiene is engaged in the manufacturing and the selling of branded packaged, fast-moving consumer goods in the healthcare and family business. Its product portfolio include Whisper, India's leading #1 family brand, and its Vicks brand, which India's leading #1 healthcare brand, and Old Spices. The company was incorporated in 1964 as Richardson Hindustan and was acquired by P&G in 1985. It is engaged in the manufacturing and the selling of branded FMCG products in healthcare and hygiene business. P&G is global leader in FMCG industry and its product available in 180 countries. The company's brand Whisper is India's #1 leading brand in the hygiene category, over 50% market share, and additionally Vicks is India's #1 leading healthcare brand in the cough and cold category, over 50% market share. Its other product portfolio include Pampers, Ariel, Tide, Whisper, Gillette, Head and Shoulder, Herbal Essence, Pantene, Ambipure, Oral-B, Vicks, Olay and Old Spice. The company has developed artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithm to analyze consumer behavior pattern. By the help of these, they make clusters of the consumers and target accordingly. The company has pan-India presence and its products sold across India. In the year end June 24, the company spent 568 crore. By the help of these, they generated 13.5% of revenue. The future looks promising for P&G Hygiene. Here are some major growth drivers. Increasing awareness of hygiene. Government initiatives and social campaigns have amplified awareness about personal hygiene, especially in rural areas. Rising disposable income. The growing middle class in India is willing to spend on premium hygiene and healthcare products. Product innovation. The company's focus on research and development ensures a steady pipeline of innovative products. E-commerce expansion. Online shopping platforms are increasing the accessibility of P&G's product, especially among youngest demographics. Rural penetration. With India's rural economy growing, P&G is actively expanding its reach to this untapped market. These factors align with growing demand for healthcare and hygiene products, providing significant headroom for growth. Let's dive into financials. Over the last 5 years, the company has reported a consistent revenue CAGR of 7%, driven by its flagship brands. In the trailing 12 months, the company's revenue stood at 4,206 crore with the net profit of 676 crore. The operating profit margin stood at 23%, highlighting pricing power and cost efficiency. Despite inflationary pressure, the company has managed to pass on costs to consumers. The company's balance sheet is robust with the debt to equity ratio of 0. Its asset-light model ensures free cash flow generation, enabling dividend payouts. Cash reserves have grown steadily, giving the company flexibility for marketing and expansion. ROCE and ROE is more than 75%, so causing its leadership. P&G Hygiene command a PE of 70 with the industry PE of 61 and a better than 5 years of median PE of 77. The stock price of P&G is down 23% from its top level and currently it is trading at the level of 14,700 rupees. Please comment below and let me know how much time it will take to regain its previous high. It is not a buy and sell recommendation. Do your own due diligence before taking any action. I am not a SEBI registered RA. We will back in next video. Till time, like, share and subscribe my video. Happy investing.